Hi everyone, my name is Yesenia and welcome to my channel. Oops, that's the kitty. Today I'm going to be unboxing and doing an initial review on the Happ Brand Levy Backpack. I've been seeing it all over Instagram, and if you're a soon-to-be mom or a mom already, I'm sure you've already seen it before. So I had to splurge and get it because it was so beautiful. And by the way, I am recording in the baby's nursery, or soon to be, because it is completely empty except a few things that have been around, which is a complete mess. And this little oh baby sign that I got from a little gender reveal party that my friend made for me. But anyway, let's get to unboxing. So I received the box just like a regular mail. So I'm gonna open it up right here with you guys.
You're just gorgeous. You have makeup on and everything. You look so beautiful. I love you so much. I can't stop smiling because you're so beautiful. That's true.
So let's get to it. So the box arrived in a normal shipping box, nothing special. Let's open it up. So for the sake of the video, I just cut it right open so you guys don't have to watch me struggle with that. And here we go. Okay. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh, and by the way, I did end up buying the bag, the changing pad, and the beautiful little ball ruffle. Okay, so before we move on, I do want to go over the prices. The Happ bag by itself was $179. I know. But we're gonna review it. We're gonna see how it is. So the bag itself was $179. The changing pad was $14, and the fox fur poof bag charm was another $14. So total, it came out to be $207 because shipping's free. And let's get into it. Okay, so first, let's do the bag. Kitty. Okay. So I took it out of the plastic, and this is the bag. I do like it. It says keep it chic or chic, mama. Okay, chic. Let's open it up. Okay, here we go. Okay, wow. Guys, I am not disappointed. This is the initial look at it, and I love it. I love it. I'm so happy I splurged on this. I haven't opened it completely yet, but I can already tell I'm gonna use it everywhere I go. So let me open it up a little bit. Okay, so I'm really liking it so far. I'm gonna try to go ahead and flatten it out a little bit, because it's, you know, it was all squished up because of traveling and all that, so I don't blame it. It does come with its own little straps. They feel like really good quality. I love the gold accent on it, the details. This is the bag. I'm trying to sort it out real quick. Okay, so this is what the bag is looking like, empty. As you can see, it has a front zipper compartment over here. That could be for personal items, phones, mommy stuff. Then here, it has two nice bottle pockets inside, or for anything really. Nice sized compartments over here. I gotta say, guys, I truly do love this bag. From what I'm seeing, first impression, I love it. Up here, it does have another zipping compartment, along with this little Happ card, care instructions, and yeah, overall, this is a really beautiful bag, I gotta say, guys. I love it. Okay, so after zipping it up, this is the final look. Sorry if you hear my cat playing with the bags, but oh my gosh, I am in love with this. So here it has the little I don't know what it's called, the wrinkle detail, probably not the right word, but I love it. And then I love the gold details that it has on it. And this ruffle part it's just beautiful. And then of course it has the Happ Brand coin on it. It has these two, I feel like they're pretty spacious pockets to put baby bottles, water bottles, one for me, one for baby. It has these nice book bag straps, which I'm gonna test it on right now after I'm done. And it has this little, I like this. It has a little magnetic pouch here. So that's where your changing pad would go. And I'm actually gonna open that up right now. Okay, so next I'm gonna open the changing pad. So it looks pretty basic. I don't think there's anything special to it, but I just thought, why not just get one that matches the bag? I'm already splurging on it. What's another, you know, 10 bucks or 14. But I've heard good reviews, so. Here is the changing pad. I feel like it feels like good quality. It doesn't feel rough. It feels like if the baby has an accident on it, it can be wiped off easily. And then it's, yep. I'd say it's a pretty decent changing pad, nothing special, but it is nice. And let's see how it goes in here. Put it in here. And it's a perfect fit. And for the bag, the book bag carry-on thingies, they feel soft and spongy. I don't know if you can tell on here. So it doesn't feel like it's gonna be uncomfortable, especially when things end up getting heavy. And then the last thing is the little for charm ball, I think that's what they're called, the charmies, whatever. I'm not good at names, so probably saying the wrong name again. But guys, this is so cute. I love it. I have to puff it up a little bit, but it is beautiful. And it kind of has a little black detail to it. I didn't even see that on the picture online. So this should go on one of the sides. So I'm gonna clip it on there and boom. Oh, she's cute. I love this. I'm gonna go put it on and see how it looks on me. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the bag on. Here is the beauty. And just like a regular backpack, you put it on. Flip the hair. And yeah, guys, I love the look. It's really comfy. And you know, you can adjust the straps as need be. I'll probably adjust it a little bit when I get to play around with it, but I love it. It's so cute. And now I'm gonna show you the second way you can wear it as a purse. Wow, I'm loving it, guys. I have nothing bad to say. It's my first day, so if you want, I could do a review when the baby's actually here, how it actually works out, how practical it is, but as of right now, I think it's gonna be awesome. And guys, that concludes my initial unboxing and review for the Happ Brand Levy Backpack. Please let me know if you like this type of video and if you would like to see more. I'm excited to start this channel and kind of just talk all mommy stuff, lifestyle, beauty. I'm really excited. So if you liked it, please subscribe and leave a comment below.